And here we are with the WEN 1250 watt inverter generator. I picked this thing up for $316 even on Amazon. And to be honest with you, I wasn't quite sure what I was gonna get because I couldn't find any real video reviews on this certain 1250 model. There was plenty on the 2000, but obviously that wasn't what I was looking for. So I'm going to start this thing up for you guys real quick. Alright, so you can hear this thing is pretty quiet. It's definitely a lot quieter than my other small generator that is not an inverter generator. Let's see here. So that's what the face of it looks like. And I'm going to switch this over to eco mode. And you can just hear how much that quiets it down. Now I'm going to back up about, say, 15 feet. I mean, you can barely hear the thing. I bought this for my pop-up camper. It will run everything in that camper as far as electronics go. It'll run the coffee pot. I think that's probably about it, though. I don't think it'll run the toaster oven, but that's not really necessary. So anyways, there you have it. WEN 1250 watt inverter generator. Good bang for the buck. Half the cost of the Honda. Hopefully she holds up. Thanks for watching.